Socialism and communism, both ideologies, are rooted in the desire to limit the exploitation of labor. But in the history of the world, there has never been a communist country. While various countries call themselves communist, by definition there has never been a truly communist country. Socialism is a populist economic and political system based on public ownership of the means of production. Those means include the machinery, tools, and factories used to produce goods that aim to directly satisfy human needs. In a purely socialist system, all legal decisions about production and distribution are made by the government, and people depend on the state for everything from food to medical care. The government determines the level of production and prices for these goods and services. According to Marx, socialism is the predecessor of communism and the logical next step after capitalism. Communism is a political and economic ideology that positions itself in opposition to liberal democracy and capitalism, advocating instead for a classless system in which the means of production are owned communally and private property is non-existent or severely curtailed. The goal of communism is a classless, stateless, moneyless society. There are lots of variations on communism. Each leaders implemented communism in their own way. So there are Leninism, Stalinism, Trotskyism, Maoism and others which are essentially all versions of Karl Marx's communism. Nowhere in the world has there been a communist country according to Karl Marx's definition.